Chef Ray Alonji here. I'm the executive chef at Turner's Yard in Pembroke, Mass. And today I'm going to be showing you my interpretation of Asian style tilapia. Now what I've done is I've taken some nice fresh tilapia and I'm going to dredge it in some seasoned rice flour. What I've seasoned it with is just simple salt and pepper and a little pinch of ginger. I'm going to start off with a hot pan and some sesame oil. This is a toasted sesame oil. It's really, really strong and it gives off a real nice dark color and it has a beautiful, beautiful aroma. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fish, I'm going to dredge it lightly in that seasoned flour, and I'm going to saute it and put it in this little pan and fry it up a little bit. I want these to get a nice little color on each side. I don't want to play with them too much. I want to get a little golden color, and then I'm going to flip them and get some color on the other side. All right, they're coming along nice. I need another minute on this side, then I'm going to flip them over. Now, you can use any kind of fish. I choose to use tilapia. It's a great little fish. It's a nice white fish. So, we've got our fish in the pan. Now I'm going to plate it. I'm going to plate it over some nice Asian style rice. Be very gentle. Once the fish comes out, it gets very delicate. So we don't want to break it. Place it like that. We're going to place some Asian vegetables right over the top. And this is simply zucchini, summer squash, a little carrots. And then I'll put a little bit of the glaze that I made. Now what I've done is I've made a glaze out of honey, soy sauce, ginger, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of crushed red pepper, and some orange juice. So this is going to go great over it. Now, you can put any kind of veg you want on it. You can put any kind of sauce you want on it. I chose to put this kind of sauce because I just think it has a great, great flavor and a great pop to it. So, this is my version of Asian tilapia over rice with spring vegetables, and I hope you like it.